Hello, and welcome back to Wheel Vibe. Today we're diving into a truly unique piece of adventure mobility, the 2025 Electric Tricycle Camper. It blends the thrill of open-road riding with the comfort of a mini mobile home. So whether you're a weekend warrior, an RV enthusiast, or someone curious about what mobility looks like in the future, stick around. This one's special. The concept of a camper built around a three-wheeled electric platform is a bold one. The idea combines stability, eco-friendly propulsion, and self-contained living for on-the-road freedom. In 2025, we're seeing manufacturers push the boundaries of what touring and camping mobility can be. And this electric tricycle camper is front and center in that. First impressions count, and this one delivers. From the front trike configuration to the integrated camper body, the design is purpose-driven. Let's break down what's going on. The three-wheel layout, two wheels up front, or two at the rear depending on configuration, and one wheel at the other end, gives a unique silhouette and, importantly, improved stability over traditional two-wheel motorcycles in a camping scenario. The electric platform allows for smooth lines without the large exhaust or fuel tank bulges you see on internal combustion RVs. The camper module is compact yet cleverly built. You'll find fold-out elements, integrated storage, and exterior lines that hint at both mobility and livability. From an aesthetic standpoint, it's clean and futuristic. From a practical standpoint, the real question is, how well does it translate into use? We'll get there. Underneath the camper shell sits the electric drivetrain. According to the available information, you're looking at roughly 350–400 kilometers of range on a single charge, depending on driving style, load, terrain, and weather. Fast charging capability is a must for touring applications, and this model reportedly achieves up to 880% in about 45 minutes. For a trike camper hybrid, that's a notable benchmark. You get the freedom of the open road with fewer compromises on range. However, real-world performance will depend on how heavy the camper module is, how many ancillary systems, like HVAC, lighting, appliances, you're drawing from the battery, and available charging infrastructure along your route. This is where we dig into what sets this apart from a regular trike or even a standard RV. Inside the camper module, you'll find a reclining seat bed setup, convertible living or sleeping space, mini kitchen unit, fridge, possibly induction stove, storage compartments, smart interfaces, digital control panels, ambient lighting, connectivity features, storage optimized for long-distance travel and stay-over comfort.